Today we're excited to introduce the Lozovin 4 Tiers Narrow Bathroom Storage Cabinet, a sleek and stylish solution for maximizing space in small areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry rooms. This slim, 7.1-inch wide floor organizer features multiple drawers of varying sizes, allowing you to neatly store everything from toiletries and cosmetics to towels and cleaning supplies. With its transparent drawers and divided storage compartments, you can easily access your essentials while keeping your space organized and clutter-free. The cabinet is designed with silent casters, making it easy to move around without scratching your floors, and its robust, waterproof plastic construction ensures durability without the worry of moisture damage. Plus, the elegant design fits seamlessly into any room decor, offering both functionality and style. Lozovin, a trusted name in home and office organization, is committed to providing high-quality, practical products and exceptional customer service, ensuring a satisfying experience with every purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.